Hi guys, and welcome to Map of Me. I'm your host Anisa Okani, and you might be wondering why was I doing yoga in the middle of nowhere, and that too in this outfit. Yoga is something that keeps me sane throughout the day. Yoga is something that helps me relieve my stress. This is my way of relieving stress. But there are so many other things that people do to get their stress level down. People read books, people stress eat, people go on long walks, people talk to their pets, and people dance to relax. Dance, music, every young person and entrepreneur needs dance and music in his and her life. Why? Because be it any enterprise that you are running, you need to de-stress yourself. Just like cardio exercise, dancing also has mood-enhancing effect. Dancing stimulates endorphins and acts like painkillers. It also promotes good sleep, which ultimately means relieving of stress. And once you're relaxed, you can take on the big issues after that, just like climate change. What do you think? By the way, dance is also a career option that many young people in the city are pursuing. And this is exactly what we will be exploring on today's episode of Map of Me Morning Show. At the end of the show, there will be a quiz and you could win exciting prizes just by answering a few simple questions. Just log into www.mapofme.in. What is Map of Me, you ask? Map of Me is a new and exciting mobile digital channel for young women and men aged 18 to 23. These are the people who are on the move from school to work or to an enterprise of their choice. This is even for young people who are in school in grade 11 and 12. And if that's you, let's begin this journey where you change your life and learn new things. Because career is something that we make ourselves, and if we are successful or not depends on our skills, our knowledge and our motivation. Map of Me Kolkata is here to help you improve in these aspects. In this show, you will be getting a lot of insights to improve your hard and soft skills. Be it a dream job or starting your own business, all your dreams are going to come true here. So you may ask, what are hard skills and soft skills, Anisa? Hard skills are those that you need to learn to do a particular piece of work, and soft skills are those that come naturally to you and you can use them to improve your life. For example, dancing is a hard skill, not because it is difficult to learn, because you need to learn to a certain level to get paid and take this up as a career and profession. Meanwhile, listening is a soft skill. Anybody can use it in their workplace, society, office, be it anywhere. And you might have heard people say it is a very common thing in their daily life and it comes very naturally to them. Nobody will pay you to have listening as a skill. But if you are a journalist, writer or a creative person, this is a very important skill to have. But you get paid for the end product and not for listening as a skill. Besides, in today's time and age, there's no one who's listening to anyone. Everyone wants to live their life on their own. I think it's high time listening also becomes a soft skill that needs to be taught. And if you are good at this skill, you need to be paid for that too. Is anyone listening to me?
हेलो, आपका नाम क्या है?
सुंदर विश्वकर्मा।
और आपका?
मेरा नाम आशीष शाह।
आप लोग कितना साल से डांस कर रहे हैं और कितना साल से डांस सिखा रहे हैं?
मैं डांस तो काफ़ी साल से कर रहा हूँ, बट प्रोफेशनली मैं 6 ईयर से करवा रहा हूँ, सिखा रहा हूँ।
और आप?
मेरा तो ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 ईयर्स हो गया इस फील्ड में, और मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैं सिखा रहा हूँ। ऑलमोस्ट वही 7 to 8 ईयर से मैं डांस ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ, और मेरा पर्सनली खुद ADA में 6 ईयर्स हो गए।
अच्छा, आर्यास डांस अकेडमी में आपका 6 इयर्स हो गया। और यहाँ पे जितने बच्चे या जितने भी आते हैं लोग सीखने के लिए डांस, वो लोग सब क्या प्रोफेशनल डांसर्स बनते हैं या ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए भी आते हैं?
देखिए, ऐसा कोई ये नहीं कि प्रोफेशनल डांस, कोई कोई बच्चे होते हैं जो नॉर्मली सिर्फ सीखने के लिए आते हैं, जस्ट दे वांट टू लर्न। बट वही बच्चे सीख के कभी कभी क्या आता है, प्रोफेशनल डांसर भी बन जाते हैं। सो यू नेवर नो कि आप वो क्या सीखने के लिए आ रहा है या प्रोफेशनल डांसर बनने के लिए, जस्ट दे वांट टू इन्जॉय, वो इन्जॉय करने आते हैं। और हमारा वही काम है कि बच्चा आए और खुशी खुशी वापस जाए, दैट्स इट।
और अगर किसी को लाइक बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में डांस करना है या वहाँ एक्टर बनना है, तो क्या उसको क्लासिकल डांस सीखना ज़रूरी है या फिर आप मतलब कुछ भी सीखने से चल जाएगा?
ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी बात नहीं है कि आप क्लासिकल सीखोगे तो आप एक्टर नहीं बन पाओगे। अगर आप बॉलीवुड सीखोगे तभी आप एक्टर बन पाओगे या फिर एक्ट्रेस बन पाओगे। वो डिपेंड करता है ना आपका टैलेंट। अगर आपके पास वो टैलेंट होगा तो आपको सब चीज़ मिल जाएगा, नहीं होगा तो फिर सब कुछ करने के बाद भी नहीं मिलेगा।
अगर किसी को डांस को करियर बनाना है तो वो क्या स्टेप्स है, मतलब वो क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करेंगे कि वो उनका करियर बनेगा? जैसे अभी हम लोग ये सब जो व्यूअर्स होंगे वो लोग यंग गर्ल्स होंगे जो एक मतलब नया करियर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, तो सपोजिंगली कोई ऐसा व्यूअर देख रहा है जिसको डांस सीखना है, तो आप उनको कुछ एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे, कुछ स्टेप्स देना चाहेंगे?
एकदम अगर आपको करियर बनाना है तो आपको इस पर एकदम फोकस करना होगा। एक जैसे होता है ना घोड़ा, उसको ना दायां ना बायां कुछ दिखता नहीं है, उसको ये पहना दिया जाता है कि आपको सीधा देखना है अपने गोल की तरफ। तो बस हम जिस भी करियर में, आप सिंगिंग में हो, चाहे पेंटिंग में हो, कराटे हो, बॉक्सिंग हो, डांसिंग हो, किसी भी फील्ड में आपको फोकस करना होगा और आपको समझना होगा कि आपका मार्क क्या है, आपका गोल कौन सा है। बस उसी को फोकस करके उसी पे वर्क करो, पैशन होना पड़ेगा।
मतलब ऐसे बोला जाता है कि डांस बहुत स्ट्रेस फ्री रखता है लोगों को, ठीक है? तो आप लोग तो डांस सिखाते हैं, तो आप लोग का काम है डांस। अब अगर डांस में स्ट्रेस हो गया तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं?
डांस में स्ट्रेस हो गया तो हम लोग डांस ही करते हैं डांस ही करते हैं। और बेसिकली वी लव टू, मतलब म्यूज़िक, हम लोग का काम ही हम लोग के साथ म्यूज़िक के साथ हमेशा म्यूज़िक में ही हमेशा लगे रहना। तो जब हमें लगता है कि हम लोग स्ट्रेस फ्री हो रहे हैं, बस म्यूज़िक चलाते हैं और डांस करते हैं, दैट्स इट।
और आप क्या करते हैं?
देखिए, म्यूज़िक का ना एक फील होता है ना, अब जब आप म्यूज़िक सुनते हो आपको क्या ना, म्यूज़िक आपको इमोशन चेंज कर देता है। अगर आप कुछ मतलब एनर्जेटिक सुन रहे हो तो आपके अंदर एक एनर्जी आ जाता है। और आप सैड सा सुन रहे हो, भले आप खुश हो, आप सैड सुन के लगता है कि अरे यार मेरे अंदर भी इतना दुख है यार, वो गाना सुन के इतना दुख, वो नहीं होते हुए भी वो दुख आपके अंदर आ जाता है। तो वही चीज़ है, म्यूज़िक ऐसा फील है ना, चाहे आप जब ध्यान से सुनोगे ना तो वो हर इमोशन को आपके अंदर लेके आएगा। चाहे अगर आप सैड हो तो आप खुशी वाला सुनो, हर इमोशन आपके अंदर आ जाएगा।
अच्छा, और ऐसा कौन सा टॉप 5, 3, 4 या 5 कितना, ऐसा कौन सा स्किल्स है जो एक डांसर को ज़रूरी है प्रोफेशनल डांसर बनने के लिए?
देखिए, बेसिकली हर एक स्किल अपने आप इनबॉर्न होता है, ठीक है? कोई कोई होता है जो लर्न करके सीखता है, कोई कोई होता है जिनका इनबॉर्न होता है, बस दिखा दो और कर लेते हैं। सो बेसिकली हमारे ट्रुप में, हमारे ग्रुप में जिनको हम लोग सेलेक्ट करते हैं, बेसिकली सबसे पहले एक्सप्रेशंस वाइज, बॉडी लैंग्वेज वाइज, और उसमें इतना पर्सनल अपना इंडिविजुअल अपना पर्सनालिटी ऐसा डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए जो जब वो खड़ा हो, या बेसिकली जब हम उनको सामने परफॉर्म करने के लिए खड़ा करें तो कोई भी देखे, चाहे वो कोई भी एक नॉन डांसर भी, अगर सपोज दैट कोई एक रिक्शा भी चला रहा है या साइकिल भी चला रहा है ना, अगर वो भी उसका परफॉर्मेंस देखे ना, बोले वाह क्या नाच है। सो हम लोग वो चीज़ देखते हैं, बेसिकली वो हमारा काम रहता है कि बच्चे को उस तरीके से तैयार करना।
Okay, so do you think like dance is a really good stress buster?
Yeah.
So imagine you all are at a gunpoint right now and I'm asking you all to show me a dance move. What will you all show me? So show it. Come on, go for it. Nice.
Do you dance for to become a professional, or it's just a hobby?
No, I want to be professional.
It's just a hobby for me.
Do you think dance is a great stress buster or not?
Yeah.
Of course it is.
If you were given an option that you had to go to the gym or come to the dance studio and dance, what would you choose?
I would choose the second option. It's better than it. It's better than the gym.
Dance studio, of course.
Okay, so what's your signature move?
Hip hop.
It's freestyle.
And what does dance mean to you?
I'm dancing since childhood, so dance is my everything. Like, I just cannot live without dance. I can dance at any time, any day, anywhere.
तो आप डांस करते हैं टू बिकम अ प्रोफेशनल की हॉबी है? अभी अगर आपको मैंने गन पॉइंट पे किया और आपको बोला एक डांस मूव करने के लिए, तो आप कौन सा करोगे?
मूव्स दिखाना है या फिर जस्ट बताना है?
अगर आप करके दिखाओगे तो ऑडियंस को ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। ओके, तो मैं यहाँ साइड में हो जाती हूँ, आप इधर आओ। ओके, ओके, दैट वाज अमेजिंग।
Are you dancing to become a professional dancer or just for fun?
It's a hobby and it's just for fun.
And you?
But mine is professional dancer.
Okay, what is your signature dance move?
Just now I'm not comfortable to show that.
No, just name it. What is your signature dance move?
Wave, I guess.
Okay, and yours?
Freestyle, something, dance.
Okay. And do you think dance is a really good stress buster?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It is, right?
आप हमको एक कूल डांस मूव सिखा सकते हो क्या? तो करें, आप पहले करो। ओके, मैं ट्राई करूं। ओके, ओके, थैंक यू। आप भी सिखा सकते हो मेरे को एक मूव। ओके, तो अगर आपको गन पॉइंट में अभी मैंने किया और आपको बोला एक डांस स्टेप करना है, तो आप कौन सा डांस स्टेप करोगे?
यहाँ पर जो सीखा है वो करेंगे।
करके दिखाएंगे? That was nice.
अब आप लोग दोनों हमको थोड़ा, मेरी और मेरी पार्टनर को थोड़ा डांस मूव सिखाएंगे। हम लोग तो पहले कभी सीखे नहीं हैं, तो चलिए डांस करें।
Map of Me. So today we have a really good guest with us today. So ma'am, if we can start with you talking about yourself a little.
Hi, my name is Sukanya. I'm a singer, I'm a dancer, and I practice yoga. So I began my journey in 2013. I've been dancing since I was 3 years old. Now I'm 28. So right now I'm in a very good space where a lot of people appreciate my art, and I can generate money through that, through my work. So I really don't have to do a 9 to 5 job, and I can still live my life doing the freelance work that I do.
So ma'am, as you said that you're skilled in such platforms, which one among them is your favorite?
I love dancing. Okay, I've been dancing since I was 3 or maybe before that. So I would say that dance is my first priority. Like I could leave probably everything, singing or acting or costume styling or jewelry making. Dance is something that's very natural to everyone. Everybody can dance. So yeah, that's my favorite.
So coming back to that, do you think that getting into a film industry, you should know dancing as a really good professional?
Of course, it's very much required, because when we see a hero or a heroine, we expect them to do out of boundary things that probably we wouldn't be able to do.
So ma'am, if you could tell us that what are the skills that gets enhanced, or what are the skills required to be a dancer?
Firstly, you have to have the will to entertain people. Once you have the will to entertain people, you automatically dance. So dance is more like you have the bass coming from your heart, and you keep moving. Okay, you does like anybody can do this. This is something very natural. Some mosquitoes are biting and you are doing this. So that's where you are dancing. Okay, it's very basic step. Now if you want to be a proficient in particular genre and know the technicalities of it, that's a different ball game altogether. For that you need years of practice and training and dedication. Get to know the music of that genre. That is very important. But otherwise, from I think flexibility, the will to dance, having a very open mind of both like knowing the genre, knowing other genres and different disciplines of art, that's very much required. And in today's time, I think everything is going digital, so they need to be very tech friendly to get to the audience.
Well, ma'am, coming back to your personal experience, since you have been, into this field for such a long time, what are the challenges and difficulties you really faced?
I faced a lot of rejection, definitely, because there are a lot of people like me who want to go to the limelight, who want to, be in the first spot. But I feel, I don't really feel dejected, because if I take that, the whole, the point of me being that artist goes to waste. So rejection, everybody faces rejection. Okay, so that shouldn't be the only thing that should come in your way of you doing or expressing your art.
So ma'am, coming back to kind of the end of this whole interview, what are the few words you would like to tell to the youth of Map of Me who are watching this to help them encourage themselves?
I would say just free yourself and move around, and slowly you will start to explore yourself. Also be very confident. If you don't have confidence, if you lack confidence, start to observe yourself. What are the things that you would like to do? What are your interests? And start to research about it more, and just be very passionate about the art form that you really like to do. And yeah.
So, ma'am, the last but not the least, as you know that the technology is growing and then there's so much hustle around here and there, things are happening in a rush. So, all of us at some point are stressed. So, if we can end this whole interview by you teaching us a little stress-free yoga positions or techniques so that we can, help ourselves in the next days.
Sure, I would love to teach you.
Thank you, ma'am.
hope you enjoyed our episode today. And if you learned anything new about dancing and we inspired you to dance, go ahead and do it. It will surely make you happy. Now, there's another reason to more happiness. It's quiz time!
Question number 1. What are the chemicals released in our body when we dance?
Question number 2. What are the 3 things that we need to make our career in dance? First is dancing, second is networking, and what is the third thing?
If you know the answers, log on to www.mapofme.in and win exciting prizes. Also, complete the 26-step challenge on how to become a successful entrepreneur. It will help us to make you realize your dreams. Also, learn about entrepreneurship and different business skills from different women through our show.
So see you tomorrow, guys, on the next episode of Map of Me. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. And don't forget to keep dancing.